Okay, we're going to take a ride down Berkley Street to see what kind of tree damage they got here. Yeah, look at this. Trees all over the place. Some lady out here looking at the trees, taking her pictures. I'm filming it though, so my pictures are better. There we go. Looks like a war zone here. Trees everywhere. If I can make it down the road. Big ones. Up ahead here, power lines down everywhere. Wow, look at this telephone pole up here. Looks like it's gonna break over. Yeah, I got it all on video here. Look at that. Boy, it's almost like a twister came through here the way all these trees are down. Don Snow in October did that, believe it or not. Yeah, this guy's hard at work, doing a little trimming in his yard. Handsaw, must be killing himself. Yeah, here I go. I got a four-way stop here. There's some more trees all over the place. All over the road. They're saying now maybe three or 4 days till our power's up. I hope that ain't the case. That'll really stink. Boy. Alright, let's kill this first.